Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series F10 F11 generation from year guys 2010 to year 2017. You need to remove or replace windshield wipers. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, and one of the best wipers that I found for a really good price and where you can get them from. We'll share all that in the description of the video below and in this video as we go. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW and you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So this is the 5 Series guys. This is the wipers that we'll be using. Really good quality wipers. I used them before. It's the OEM quality, and let's go ahead and explain how to do that. We need to first open the hood. You will see why, and then we'll continue. So we'll open the hood. Why we need to open the hood? Because you cannot actually twist the wiper all the way up. Okay, so we need to open all the way. Okay, perfect, like that. Now let's explain what we need to do in order to replace the wiper. You need to be very careful when removing the wiper to make sure guys that you don't let off the wiper arm to hit the windshield, because it can simply crack it. So let me go ahead. I'm going to leave the wipers here, and now you lift up, you come in an angle. All we need to do, just come in an angle, like that, and now you pull it out. You can see it needs to come out guys at 90-degree angle. So you need to tilt the wiper like that, pull it out. Careful when you release it, not to break your windshield, because that is spring loaded. Now I'm going to remove the protective film on the bottom. Just pull it out. I'm going to go ahead, grab this one. Now we'll go at 90-degree angle, push it in. This wiper is out. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for the other wiper. Let me see if we can hold the camera like that and see if I can replace it that way. One is out. Slowly release it. If you accidentally slip it, it's going to crack your windshield, so you have to be extremely careful. Now go ahead, install the new one. Close it. That's it guys. It takes only a few minutes. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to do that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.